Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well. So, welcome back to our computer classes. Today, we are going to start chapter number 3 of class 4 Computer Tools of Word Processor. In this chapter, we are going to learn what is Microsoft Word. So, Microsoft Word is an application software used for word processing. It is used to create a file, edit a file, save a file, and print a file. And this is a part of Microsoft Office. Now see the basic step how to start MS Word. So by clicking on the start button, we get all programs. All programs under this, we get Microsoft Office button. Here we click, and after that we see Microsoft Word, and then click on the Microsoft Word 2010. By clicking on this icon, we will open our Microsoft Word. Editing a document. Editing is making changes and correction in a document. Selecting text using mouse. How to select text using mouse? The steps are as follows. Step 1 is place the cursor at the beginning of the text. Step 2, press the left button of the mouse. Third step is drag the pointer to the last character of the text to be selected, and last is release the left mouse button. Before performing any action like copying, moving and finding, replacing, deleting or formatting the text, we need to select the text. So next is removing text. How to remove the text or delete a text. Word provides a facility to erase the text. First point is select the text. Second is press the delete key, and third one is selected text will be removed. You can also delete text by using backspace key. It removes the character to the left of the cursor. To delete block of text, select the text and then press either delete key or then backspace key. And then next is copying text. Copy means duplicating the text by keeping a particular piece of text at its original location as well as pasting it on the another location. So for copying, first point is select the text you want to copy. Second point is right click on the selected text and then click on the copy command. Third is place the cursor where you want to copy the text, and last point is right click on the cursor and click on the paste option. This one is the basic method. Now see how can we copy the text by shortcut method. So for shortcut method, we can use shortcut keys such as Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Ctrl C is for copy and Ctrl V is for pasting the text. Now see moving text. This feature change the position of selected text from one place to another. Some steps are there. First step is select the text you want to move. Second step is right click on the selected text and then click on the cut command. Third step is place the cursor where you want to paste the text you just cut. And fourth point is right click at the cursor and click on the paste option. This is a basic method. And shortcut method is we are using shortcut keys like as Ctrl plus X for cut and Ctrl plus V for paste. Now see undo and redo. Undo, this option reverses the effect of the last command, and redo to reverse the action of undo command. The undo command cancels the effect of the last executed command. This undo button is present on the quick access toolbar. In similar manner, redo command is used to reverse the action of the undo command. Redo button is also present on the quick access toolbar. There are also some shortcut keys for undo and redo. For undo we can use Ctrl plus Z, and for redo we can use Ctrl plus Y. Next is spell check or checking spellings and grammar. Word has a built-in dictionary and set of grammatical rules to check the spellings and grammar of the text of document. The spellings and grammar feature displays all the spelling and possible grammatical errors in a document. For example, is given mango is a favorite fruit, so there is no space between favorite and fruit, so it comes under the error. For removing this error, right click on the word underlined with a red wavy line and click on the ignore button. Now here are some shortcut keys, time to recall them. For undo we are using Ctrl plus Z, for redo Ctrl plus Y, for cut Ctrl plus X, for copy Ctrl plus C, for pasting Ctrl plus V, and for selecting all Ctrl plus A. So these are the shortcut keys, very important for us. You have to learn them. So students, I hope you all like this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.